This is our new family member, Simba. Say hi, Simba. Then over here, we got the main boy, Frederick. Yeah. Hi again, it's me and Sin.
Hi.
So, baby. so, so we're gonna do a mukbang in a bit after we feed the dogs. Then this one is medication because it got fixed not too long ago. Yeah. See ya.
Open it. Open it.
Why?
Open it.
Is this a Christmas gift?
Duh.
I can't open it.
Yeah, you can. Just open it.
What was weird is a card dropped it off. Another Amazon person.
No, whatever.
Is it two things or
You will see which one's yours.
two gifts?
That one's mine.
Yay! Fire stick. Thank you, baby. That's it.
That's it.
Yay, baby! Woohoo!
Early Christmas gift from me.
Yeah, thank you, baby.
Good. All right. We good? Okay, so I saw this on Amazon. It says it's tool gift magnetic wristband universal socket. No. Unboxing. So here's the universal tool socket or whatever. Okay. Keeping the tool anyways. Destroying the box. That's how we do it in this household. Oh my god. So it's a universal thing, so it looks like that. So you could put it on any type of bolt, and it pushes in. Then you could turn it.
Oh wow!
Yeah. Then this comes with it, so it latches in. So you put this in your drill bit or your drill, whatever it's called, power drill. There you go. And then you know, universally works.
Hmm.
And this is what I actually bought.
What is that?
It's a magnetic wristband. So while I'm working, I have it on one hand.
For work?
No, just the general purpose.
Oh, for household things.
Yeah. And then I put my screws, my washers, my nuts, my drills, my sockets.
Oh
All
wow!
around. So for instance,
Hmm. Oh damn! That's cool, babe.
right?
Yeah, dude.
Sick. Can't wait to use it though.
That's cool. Hi guys. It's us again. Sorry. Go.
Nice. Hi guys, it's me, Sin, and my wife, Destania.
That's not it.
So we're here to do a little mukbang. She's having a mega bowl buffalo mac and cheese.
Yeah, buffalo mac and cheese.
And I'm just having a plain old Marie Callender's chicken pot pie.
They're good.
They are.
But I haven't had this in a while. So, yeah.
I forget if it's hot or not for you. It's not.
No,
Okay.
it's just a little bit spicy, but not like, I can't eat it.
You gotcha. So, on the world today, one of my favorite bands, Metallica, released a new album, and it hasn't released the album yet, but they've released the news that they have finished their album. They released a music video earlier today, or whenever you watch this. It'll be November 28th is when they released their music video for their new album. So I'm pretty excited. I listened to it. It was pretty awesome, dude.
He loves Metallica. That's his favorite band. Oh, but
And then they're doing tours, and come around my birthday, they'll be in Los Angeles.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, we gotta go.
Oh yeah. And they're gonna be performing at the new stadium, SoFi.
What? Heck yeah, we gotta go.
But we gotta wait for 4 more days for the pre-sale for the general public to buy tickets. So they're doing their 5th member, then they're doing this card membership, then they're doing the stadium pre-sale, and then the general. But I'm not really wanting the mosh pit area because I do like to sit. Even though I'm not gonna sit most of that concert.
Well, technically, we already went to a concert, and we weren't even sitting down. We were sitting down in the beginning, and then when they came up, we were standing most of the concert.
Yep. Because they know how to get the show going.
Yeah, they're pretty good in person.
That they are. Still bomb to this day.
Oh yeah. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
How's it, Popeye? Good.
A little dry.
Little dry.
Yeah. There's a difference when you cook it through microwave and oven.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Microwave sucks out all the moisture, but if you cook it in the oven, it just lets all steam up perfectly nice. So that way when you eat it, the crust is all fluffy.
Okay.
What? Haven't you noticed the difference when you eat these? Yeah.
Well, me sorry.
The oven does take a long time. Like close to an hour. But microwave is quicker, but you don't have that moist crust.
This is so good. Work was good. It was busy.
Was it?
Not like people busy. It was just like for me busy. Like I saw most of my shift.
Usually it gets busy around the first week of the month.
Yeah.
Because of EBT holders, card holders, food stamps.
Dude. Today I heard a man
Having sex?
and I get a man and his son came in at 6 o'clock a.m., which is the time I start work, and they filled up the court to the max, and they spent $1,000 in groceries. So they probably hadn't had the money for it, or like my husband said, EBT. Cause dude,
Or they robbed a bank.
they had a crap ton of stuff, dude. And those are my dogs, or our dogs. But yeah, man, a crap ton of stuff.
So they must be on the run. They're gonna go on the run, or they just robbed a bank.
But if you rob the bank, why would you go to food for less?
Because you now have the money to buy groceries.
Or somewhere, or like, why would you go to a grocery store and spend $1,000?
So you could camp out in a hole.
See, it's good, but some parts are spicy. It's like a little kick. Some spoonfuls aren't, and some spoonfuls are. Like I get a little ting. Would you wanna try it?
No.
Excuse me.
You're excused.
So that's what's gonna wrap a gift.
Yep.
A Christmas gift.
I've been wanting to do this type of gift wrapping for a while. I've seen others do it.
Really? I've never seen that kind of wrapping. What you're gonna do. What he's gonna do, I've never seen before.
Yeah, you have. Serena has gotten a gift like that.
Yeah?
I want to say from Vettel or Richard.
Maybe.
I want to say like it was like the second year I was dating you. Or one of the ones that she was still in high school.
You think I remember?
No, but the fact that I do is something.
We've been together too long.
That's for sure.
He doesn't want to leave.
And you never want to go away.
No. I don't.
Oh, so apparently last night I pissed her off while we were sleeping.
Dude, I freaking woke up in the middle of the night. Pissed off, man.
Tell him why.
Like, oh my god, man. He wouldn't move. Out of my way, man. Like, stop being in my space, Holmes.
And then when we were getting ready, she tells me how pissed off she was. And I tell her, well, dude, I had no room on the bed left. So I had to scoot her over. And apparently that pissed her off.
You probably did that on purpose.
What? Wait, how would I do that on purpose?
I don't know. You were probably laughing like, yeah. Oh, it's good.
Wish. Your torch. So now I have to wait patiently.
How was the day with?
Other than the personal thing that happened, it was pretty good. It was pretty good.
Was it busy or no?
Yes and no. I was trying to have this file on a program that I work with operate smoothly, but the file was just too large. It was 200,000 kilobytes large or big, and the program just did not want to cooperate, and I tried to shrink it down or hide some features so it runs smoothly, but it took me all day just to get nowhere. But it kept me busy. Kept me busy.
Woo.
Spicy?
Mm-hmm.
Sick.
So, a coworker asked me again if I could switch her.
Alright, trying this. Never tried this before.
I'm gonna do it if I were you. Too late.
Huh, it's not that bad.
Mm-mm.
Little Caesar's Buffalo Ranch is worse. The little dipping sauce they have?
The buffalo ones?
Yeah. That
They
was-
have that?
yeah.
Since when?
I don't know. When did they? Google that. Alright.
Now you're making me want a Little Caesars pizza.
Well, let me
So
Google.
I could try
Let me goggle that.
the sauce.
I was actually spelling goggle. Anyway.
Excuse me.
When did a little... Wow, the Little Mermaid came out on November 13th, 1989.
Mm.
Come out. When did Little Caesars? Oh, that's bright light.
But
Buffalo sauce, buffalo sauce, buffalo sauce, buffalo
Oh,
sauce, buffalo sauce.
by the way,
buffalo sauce.
I seen a cereal that I want to try at my work.
Love.
Not the second one though. There's two one's Christmas holiday edition cereals out there. But one of them sounds disgusting. Another one, I want to give it a try because it sounds good. So, it's people notice. Ooh, sorry.
Well, to interrupt you, Little
The-
Caesars came out with Hot and Ready in 1997.
Damn.
We're older than the Hot and Readys.
My God. So anyways, so my all-time favorite since I was growing up till this day is my favorite cereal is cinnamon toast crunch. That's my favorite cereal. I could eat it all day if I wanted to, but obviously I can't, you know. But if I could, I would. But
Big butt.
they have two cereals at my work that it's called apple pie crunch, and it sounds weird and it looks disgusting, and no, I wouldn't try that. But another one I do wanna try it one day. It's sugar cookie crunch, toast crunch. So I wanna try that out, see if it's good. So, You're still looking up that?
Yes.
Oh, baby.
I think it was Papa John's who introduced the dipping sauce.
The sauces.
Yeah. Because with almost every pizza you get the garlic sauce.
Hey, the boy.
Which was good up until a certain point. Then it just became all... I don't know what the word is for it.
That's good though. I like it.
No, I had that little clear ass liquid on top of it. And then everything else with the garlic was just solid. So you had that little shit on
yeah.
top, and then you had to mix the garlic in.
Yeah. Yeah. That part is true, but I still like it. It's good. But now,
Hey.
but now I wanna try. But now I wanna try. I'm sorry, a dog is playing with his toys. Good boy, Frederick. Good boy.
So apparently in 1995 is when Little Caesar started their little dips.
Jeez. But yeah,
It says-
now you're making me want a Little Caesars pizza just so I could try the buffalo sauce.
It's only,
So one day we gotta do it.
it's only 7 o'clock right now.
We're not going out tonight. We just saying full.
You fool.
Yes, I'm full.
She pitied the fool.
Yeah, that was my dinner.
That was her dinner.
Mhm.
Yeah. Sauce, 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 sauce.
Ooh. So yeah, we're trying to grow our channel. So people out there, whoever you are, please subscribe and like.
You're so cute.
I know. Alright.
Can't find anything. Bye bye.